IELTS vocabulary. Mediocre, average. Mediocre, average. Lucid, clear and easy to understand. Lucid, clear and easy to understand. Erratic, unpredictable. Erratic, unpredictable. Paradox, a statement that seems contradictory, but may be true. Paradox, a statement that seems contradictory, but may be true. Futile, useless. Futile, useless. Inevitable, certain to happen. Inevitable, certain to happen. Judicious, wise. Judicious, wise. Skeptical, doubtful. Skeptical, doubtful. Resilient, able to recover quickly. Resilient, able to recover quickly. Overt, open. Overt, open. Wholesome, healthy. Wholesome, healthy. Abundant, more than enough. Abundant, more than enough. Negligent, careless. Negligent, careless. Candid, honest. Candid, honest. Ubiquitous, found everywhere. Ubiquitous, found everywhere. Hamper, to hinder. Hamper, to hinder. Yearn, to long for. Yearn, to long for. Deplete, to use up resources. Deplete, to use up resources. Vigilant, alert. Vigilant, alert. Tedious, tiring. Tedious, tiring. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.